Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be walking through how I did this cover up. The left side here is basically all freeformed. So before I officially start, I'm going to have to separate this section first. So right here, the hair has been freshly detoxed and washed, and we are jumping into separating a section of hair around the thinning area. I'm just gently pulling whatever loose hair I can find out. And if it's not loose already, I am taking my pick that I made. I just filed down a crochet hook, and yeah, I just pick it a little bit and then pull the loose hair. This process is pretty time consuming. It just takes patience. This is the way I choose to do it. Some people might have cut this area off completely, and that's okay too. This is just what I prefer to do. This is what the section looks like after I've picked out the hair, and we've got enough now to cover it up on all sides. Now I'm just separating out the freeform section as gently as I can. I just start at the top where the base of the freeform is matted and start picking it apart with that tool and using my fingers interchangeably to separate it down to the scalp. I'm now making the wicks, and this brown tool that I'm using to distress the locks is just 2 crochet hooks that I taped together. One has 3 prongs, one has 2 prongs. This pink crochet hook is a 0.6mm size or a number 12, and the brand is called Clover. I'll put a link to this in the description.